Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. And guess what? Today I am going to make you one of my favorite dish, and it's made from Modelo Especial. It is called bacon rib-eye with Modelo appetizers. I can't wait to share it to you. I will be right back because I'm going to start opening the bottle. First thing first, let's take out the peel. I used to be a cocktail waitress, and I'm gonna tell you, this beef is super fantastic. This is also a family of Corona lights. Can you hear that sound? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour 1 cup of the Modelo Especial here in my purple cup. 12 ounces of bacon. Bacon. I'm just gonna chop them like so. See, this appetizer is really good. You guys are going to get to enjoy this. And it doesn't even have to be an appetizer. You guys can eat this with rice, especially with fried rice. Oh dear, you will love this. So I'm just cutting them about 1 inch. We're gonna put this in our skillet here. Look at this. We're just gonna let this to be cooked for about 5 minutes. And I'll be back. So it's smoking! After washing my hands, yes I did, they don't smell anymore. But I love the smell of the bacon, especially with some Modelo beef. Yum! Alright, so right now we're going to cut the ginger. Now this is about 2 ounces of ginger. I like peel in. If you guys don't like the peel, go right ahead and take it off. Now, whatever is the bacon fat, we are going to use that for flavoring as well. Now, after this has been cooking for 3 minutes, yeah? Now we're going to add our fresh onions. This is about 4 ounces of onions, julienne cuts. Fresh garlic. I love fresh garlic. This is a 4 large chopped garlic. I want to add 2 tablespoons of, make sure though, if you're going to make this dish, make sure it's a fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now for more flavoring, we're going to add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt and 2 tablespoons of just regular white sugar, 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, as you can see. I wish you guys are all here with me because the smell is to die for. And then this is a teaspoon of wasabi sauce. Now if you do not have wasabi sauce, it's okay, you do not have to, but I'm going to tell you, this is going to give good flavor into this recipe. Let this be all seasoned, and let's not forget 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, well. And that's how I pronounce that. Fantastic. At this point, we're going to just mix this. So we're gonna let this be cooked for 5 minutes, and I will be right back. After washing my hands, we are going to already add the fresh ginger. And that after that point, then we add our Modelo Especial. Oh, the smell of this beer is so fantastic also. Now let this be cooked for another 5 minutes. Put it into a boiling point. But I'm already gonna start chopping our beef rib-eye steak. They are cut in very thin slices. I just put them on layer to top of each other. Start cutting it, and I'm gonna split this in half. Just slice it like so, just like that. Continue on and finish this. After washing my hands again and again, it's time to mix this some more. Now let's add our beef. Look at that. Now this is 4 ounces of parsley that I'm going to chop stem in. I love the stem. The stem actually gives a lot of flavors too. And we're just gonna wait for our ribeye here to be cooked for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add our fresh parsley. This is the boiling point where I'm looking at on our bacon and steak and the Modelo beers, right? Look at this. Now it's time to add our fresh parsley. This is the herbs we're going to use. You don't have to mix them. Just let them be soaked and let this be cooked for another 2 minutes, and we are done. And guess what? Your dinner is served. I am about to ready to serve you. I can't wait to have this. Look at this. I am going to add more fresh parsley on top. Thank you for watching Chef Coco P. Cruz here on my YouTube channel. I love you all. See you guys again. Enjoy! What's a chef? How to say it? What's it? 1 teaspoon, I forgot. 3 teaspoon of what? And how many tablespoons again? Can you look at how many tablespoons I was?